Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing this cute Pusheen dinosaur. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start on the top left and let's draw a small curve across. And now on the right, let's bring it up and back down for the first ear. And the same thing on the left side. And then from the bottom, let's bring it down and curve it in. And then from the top right, let's bring it over and curve it down. Now top back over to the bottom left, and we're going to draw a curve down and back up for the first foot. Then let's continue the body over and another foot next to it. Now let's do the same thing on the right side. Let's draw a foot first, curve it over, and one more. And then a curve across to close off the bottom of the body. Now that we have the shape of the body, let's move in and draw the face. Let's start inside at the top of the head and let's draw a line down and then curve it back up in the center. And let's do the same on the right side and on the left. Now top underneath and let's draw two curves down and out for the mouth. And then on both sides, we're going to hop out and draw a small circle for the eyes. And then color them both in black. And then on top, let's draw an angle down for the eyebrows. Next, we're going to hop out and draw the whiskers. On the right side, let's draw two curves. And two on the left side, like this. And that's it for the face. Now let's add some details to the body. Let's start inside at the top and let's draw two bumps down and over. And then we're going to move on top next to the ear and let's draw a curve up and back down. And then another curve up next to it that's slightly longer. And then another longer one again next to this one. And now let's draw two more, getting smaller as we go over. Lastly, on the right side, we're going to draw the tail. Let's start with a curve out, and then curve it around and back in. And then inside, we're going to draw 4 curved stripes. Now on top of the tail, let's draw 2 V-shaped points up for the spikes, and 2 underneath. And that's it for this Pusheen dinosaur. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!